Howdy, my name is Ann McCarthy. I'm a product wrangler working for Automatic, and I'm on the WordPress 6.5 release squad. And this video is all about the font library. So for fun, I set up a little site where we can demo some of this stuff and chat about it. So the font library makes it easy for anyone to install, remove, and activate fonts across your site. It's available globally, independent of the theme activated. And you can think of it as a media library style feature. So in the same way the media library, you can add and upload any photos you'd like. The same thing is true of fonts. Any installed font, whether installed by user or theme, can then be selected across the editing experience. So I want to scroll down. Here's just a brief look at some fonts. So I want to talk about some of the features to the font library before digging into it itself. So you can add your own font collection. So Google Fonts is automatically included for folks to use, along with the option to upload fonts manually. But for folks who want to add their own collection, you can do so. And this would show up in the same way as we'll look in the interface now that you would see Google. So Install Fonts has a Google connection, and then you can also add My Custom Collection for your own collection. So as mentioned, you can upload fonts manually, drag and drop them in. You can connect with Google Fonts for quick installation. You can disable it all with the filter. You can also change upload location. So the default location is IP content/fonts. You can add your own font collection, as I mentioned above. And you can manage permissions and decide who gets access. So that is TBD. I will include links to all of this fun stuff so you can get more information. But for now, let's actually look at the experience. So I'm going to go in and edit the site. Click into here. I'm going to open up the styles section, head to typography, and then click on this icon here for manage fonts. From there, I'm going to go to install fonts, and this is where you'll see the option to connect to Google Fonts. So I'm going to allow access. And from there, I can search whatever fonts I'd like. So let's scroll through and let's see. I can add in, I can be picky with fonts. Let's add this one. This looks fun. I can then select whichever ones I'd like to add. So I could only select partial ones. I could select all of them. Hit install. You'll then get a success message. I can then go back to the library and I'll see it here as well as the variants active. I can then go in and manage and uncheck different options as I'd like. I'll hit update again. And you'll see it immediately available here with 6 variations. So in this case, I'm going to change my headings and I'm going to have it use this font that I just installed. And it's automatically set up. I could then change the default appearance based on what's available. So bold, for example, and that will update across the experience. I could also then, let's say I just want this paragraph to use this font family. I could then change that here, hit font family, and select it as well. And that would change it just for that paragraph rather than all of them. So as you can see, it's available globally. It's also available for different individual blocks, and you can manage it all right from the style section, typography here. I hope this gets you excited about the possibilities of the font library, and I can't wait to see all the beautiful new fonts in use across the web. WordPress 6.5 comes out March 26, 2024. Let's see what you all do.